Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I want to discuss the problems of speed, distance and time. Okay, so you should get ready everyone. Already few problems we have discussed, example and exercise also. Okay, so remaining exercise we will discuss it. So today we will discuss from question number 14 onwards. So you should get ready, clear? And at first you have to try it because easy questions are there, basically that depend on the formula we have solved all the problems, clear? So please get ready. So at first read the question and try to find out the meaning of the question. First question, see question number 14. Question number 14 is telling here a scooterist travels at 36 km per hour. Okay, a scooterist travels at 36 km per hour for 5 hours and 45 km per hour for 4 hours, sorry. Okay, find his average speed for the whole journey. Question clear? A scooterist travel at 36 km per hour for 5 hours and at 45 km per hour for 4 hours. So find his average speed for the whole journey. Question clear, I hope? We have to find out what, sir? We have to find out the average speed. Okay, so how to find out? Just try it. Average speed formula we know that total distance by total time. Clear or not? Total distance by total time, that is the formula. So you have to try it. Okay, otherwise I am doing here. Just see. At first what to do? At first here given the what is the given data, just write it. The given data is what? Speed given. First time speed what? 36 km per hour for 5 hours. Okay, that means write it here. First speed equal to 36 km per hour. Okay, time also given 5 hours. Clear? Understood? Okay, so from here we have to find out what? We have to find out distance. Distance equal to what, sir? Distance equal to speed into time. Distance equal to speed into time. Clear? Because we know that speed equal to distance by time, so that's why distance equal to what, the speed into time. Understood? Okay, just find out. So what is the values are here? Speed how much, are 36 km into times are 5. Okay, and unit will be what, sir? Unit will be kilometer. Clear? So kilometer already given in the question, so that's why. So now multiply it, this one 36 into 5 are what? 36 into 5 180 kilometer. That is the total distance. Clear? This is the first time distance we are getting here. Secondly, similarly we can find out that distance also, because speed given and time given. Okay, so second time given what, sir? Second time given at speed 45 km per hour and time 4 hours. Just find out. So second time or second case we can write here. Second case, distance we find out, speed given, sir, what? Speed 45 km per hour and time 4 hours given, no? Time 4 hours. Speed 45 km per hour and time 4 hours. Okay, so from here we can understand what, sir? Distance how much, sir? Distance equal to speed into time. Just put it here. So 45 into 4 and unit will be what, sir? Kilometer. So 45 into 4 what? 45 into 4 180. Clear? So 180 kilometer. So second case also we are getting set total distance are 180 kilometer. First time also here we got 180 kilometer distance. Secondly also we are getting here 180 kilometer distance. Okay, so here we find out what, sir? Average speed. So what is the formula of average speed? Average speed is telling here, just a minute. So we find out what average speed, no? Average speed equal to total distance by total time. Okay, just put it here. Total distance how much, sir? 180 kilometer plus 180 kilometer we are getting total distance, and time, first time we are getting here time, sir, 5 kilometer, 5 hours here time, and secondly we are getting here 4 hours. Second case time already given 4 hours, so total 9 hours we are getting. 180 plus 180 divided by 9. Clear? Because total time 9 hours. And unit will be what, sir? For distance we are getting kilometer unit, and for time we are getting, sir, hours, kilometer per hour. That is the unit of the speed. Okay, so that means we are getting here total 180 plus 180, 360 divided by 9. Cancel it here. 9 4 is 36. That means 40 kilometer per hour. That is the average speed. Okay, clear or not? So that means we have to write the answer also. Okay, so find his average speed for the whole journey. Clear? So we'll write what, sir? Therefore 40 kilometer per hour is the average speed of the whole journey. Understood? 40 kilometer per hour is the average speed of the whole journey. Clear? Understood? Okay, so next questions are it. Next question, whatever is there, that one at first read and try to find out the meaning of the question, whatever is the given. Okay, that one you have to write it and write same type of questions. All questions are like same type, so you have to try it. Okay, so next question, see. Next question is telling here, question number 15. 14 finished, I hope clear. Question number 15, see. Raju's school is 4 kilometers away from his house. Raju's school is 4 kilometers away from his house. He walks from his house to school and comes back. He walks from his house to school, okay, and comes back in what? 2.5 hours. Find his average speed. So easy question and important also. First thing given here, what, sir? First thing is given, Raju's school is 4 kilometers away from his house. Okay, so from house to school distance, what, sir? 4 kilometer distance. Okay, so first time he is going to school, he walks from his house to school. Okay, so first time he came at school, that means total 4 kilometer distance. Again comes back means again he comes back to the house. Okay, clear? So total, so how many distance he covered? So 4 kilometer plus 4 kilometer, because he came at school, again he what, went back to the house. Clear or not? So total 4 plus 4, total 8 kilometers he covered. Okay, and time, what's that? Time 2.5 hours. That is the total time. So find his average speed. Okay, find his average speed. So see how to do, sir. Question number 15, no? 15. What to do, sir? So total distance, at first we have to write total distance equal to 4 plus 4 kilometer. That means 8 kilometer total distance. Clear? Because he came to school and again what, went back to the school house. So that's why 4 plus 4 kilometer distance. Okay, and total time how much, sir? Total time equal to 2.5 hours. Clear or not? So 2.5 hours means this one, the mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. So 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2, 5 by 2 hours we are getting, that is total time. So we find out what's our average speed. So average speed equal to total distance by total time. Clear or not clear? Okay, just put the values here. Total distance are how much? 8 kilometer, and total time we are getting sir 5 by 2 kilometer, 5 by 2 hours here, and unit will be what, the kilometer per hour. Clear? Because distance unit what, sir, kilometer, and times unit what, hour. So kilometer by kilometer per hour, that is the unit of the speed. Okay, so now we find out what, sir, just a minute. Now we find out the value, just calculate this one. Just see. So we are getting here what, sir, this 2 will come in numerator, so that means 8 into 2, and denominator 5. Okay, so 8 into 2 what, sir, 16, 16 by 5. Clear or not? 16 by 5. Okay, just do the division. So if we do the division, so what do we get, sir? 5 3 is 15, 5 3 is 15, 1 remainder, so point will come 10, 5 2 is 10. Clear or not? So that means we are getting, sir, what? We are getting 3.2 kilometer per hour. 3.2 kilometer per hour, that is the average speed. Clear? Understood or not? Clear? So you have to write the answer. So find his average speed. Therefore the average speed, his average speed is, therefore his average speed is 3.2 kilometer per hour. Clear? Clear everyone? Okay, so next question, see, sir, question number 16. 14 and 15 clear? Question number 16, see, read the question everyone. Question number 6 is telling here, find the time taken by a train. Find the time taken by a train 150 meter long. Okay, 150 meter long, running at 60 km per hour is in crossing a man standing on the platform. Find the time taken by a train. That means we have to find out the time by a train 150 meter long. So that means distance given here. Okay, distance how much, sir? 150 meter. And another thing given, sir, running at 60 km per hour. That is the what? That is speed. But here one thing given, that unit is not equal here. See, because the kilometer per hour given in for speed, for distance given what, sir, meter. So that means we have to change it. Okay, so kilometer per hour, this one we have to change it in meter per second. Okay, that is the main thing, otherwise your answer won't come. Clear? Question clear? So here two things given, speed given and distance given. We have to find out the time. Okay, so but unit are not equal, so that means we have to change it. Okay, so at first we have to write the data, whatever is given we have to write it. So just a minute. So you have to try it at first, otherwise I will do it. Question number what, sir? Question number 16. Okay, question number 16. So whatever given, the distance given and time given, distance given and speed given. So distance how much, sir? distance equal to 150 meter. Okay, and speed how much, sir? Speed equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, 60 kilometer per hour. So this one we have to change it, kilometer per hour to meter per second, because distance speed unit what's a meter given, so that's why we have to change it. So 60 into 5 by 18 we have to multiply it, because we are changing, means we are going to meter per second. Clear or not? Okay. So now we can cancel it here 6 3 ja and here 6 10 ja, 6 10 ja 60 and here 6 3 ja 18. So that means we are getting here 10 into 5 50 by 3 meter per second, 50 by 3 meter per second, that is the speed. Okay, so now we find out what, sir? Time. So time equal to what, sir? What is the formula of the time, sir? We know that speed equal to distance by time, no? Clear? So time equal to what, sir? Time equal to distance by speed. Okay, so time equal to distance by speed. Just put it here. Distance how much, sir? Distance 150. Okay, clear? And speed 50 by 3, 50 by 3. Okay, just calculate this one. So 150 into 3 will come in numerator, and here 50, denominator 50. Okay, clear or not? And unit will be what, sir? Unit will be second, because we are finding the time, so that's why. Okay, so here cancel it, 0 0, this 0 0 we can cancel it, 5 3 ja 15. So that means we are getting 3 into 3 9 second. Okay, 9 second. Clear? So that is the time, total time. Okay, so find the time taken. So therefore the time is 9 second. Clear? This is the answer. Clear or not? Clear? Understood? Okay, next question, see, sir. Question number 17. Question number 17 given the length of the train is 75 meter, sorry. It is running at 63 km per hour. So in how much time would it cross an electric pole? Okay, same type of question or not? The length of a train given 175 meter, that means what? That is the distance given, and it is running at 63 km per hour. That is what is the speed given. Okay, so in how much time would it cross an electric pole? Okay, clear or not? Clear? So that means we have to find out the time. Same type of problem, question number 17. So first given what, sir? Time distance given 175, that is the distance. Write it here, 175 meter. And speed how much, sir? Speed equal to 63 km per hour, 63 km per hour. Okay, so we have to find out what, sir? Time. So time formula what, sir? Time formula equal to distance by speed, but here one important thing that I told you, what, sir? Unit are not same, because here meter given, but here kilometer per hour, so that's why we have to change it, this one. So 63 into 5 by 18 now. Clear? And this one will be what, sir? Meter per second. Clear? Cancel it, 9 to 18, 9 7 63. Okay, so that means we are getting what, sir? 7 into 5 35 by 2 meter per second, 35 by 2 meter per second. Okay, clear? Okay, so now put it here. Now put it, distance how much, sir? 175, and speed we are getting 35 by 2, and unit will be what, sir? Second. Okay, so that means we are getting 175 into 2 by 35. Clear? And here second, cancel it here, cancel it. So that means we are getting 5 7 ja, 5 7 ja, and we are getting, we are what, 5 6 15 and 2 5 25, 5 ja 25. Okay, again 7 5 ja 35, 7 5 ja 35. That means we are getting what, sir? 10 second, 5 into 2, 10 second we are getting. Clear or not? Clear? That means total time will take what, sir? 10 second. So in how much time would it cross an electric pole? Okay, so that means we can write what, sir? That means 10 second will take, or would 10 seconds would it cross, in 10 seconds we have to write it here, in 10 seconds, in 10 seconds would it cross an electric pole. Okay, electric pole. Clear? In 10 seconds would it cross an electric pole. Clear? I hope clear, everyone. Okay, so up to 17 finished. The remaining problem we will discuss later. Okay, I hope clear, and even in doubt you inform me, I will help you again. So take your homework. What is your homework, sir? So your homework is, I am writing here, homework exercise 1 to up to 17. You have to practice it. You have to practice. Okay, clear? 1 to 17 you have to practice it and submit it. Practice and submit. Clear? Clear, everyone? Okay, so that's all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.